Okay, this tastes amazing. This tastes like beef, like actual real beef. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in a while, but I'm back and I am trying the Impossible meat. I actually did try it before, but I always wanted to make it myself. I have had the Impossible burgers at restaurants multiple times, and they were only selling it up north, like in New York and stuff, but it finally came down here, and I'm going to be making tacos with this. So most people know what Impossible meat is by now. It's basically plant-based beef, ground beef, and it tastes just like regular beef, but it's not. And it has 19 grams of protein. It says no animal hormones or antibiotics, 0% cholesterol, which is great. Using your favorite recipes, burgers, tacos, lasagna. Use just like ground beef. Here are the ingredients if you want to see. Okay, so I had the Beyond Burger multiple times, and this just looks like, it just looks more like beef to me. Like it's all bloody and stuff. It sounds nasty, but it's really cool. I think it's beets, but I'm gonna try it. Okay, right off the bat, smelling it, it doesn't have that smell that Beyond Beef does, the Beyond Meat. It's not a bad smell, it's just, it smells different. It smells more beefy. Okay. So I'm starting off by adding a little bit of grapeseed oil into a skillet. And I'm adding 1 small diced yellow onion. Once it's brown, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. And now I'm adding in the Impossible meat. Let that brown a little bit. Then once it does, I'm adding in this taco seasoning that I got from Trader Joe's. It says spicy, but it's really not that spicy. I added in about 1/4 cup plus 3 tablespoons of the taco sauce. And then I added in some of this salsa, about a 1/2 cup. I added in 1½ teaspoons of ground cumin. Then after that, I just put the lid on it and I let it simmer for about 25 minutes. Next, I have 2 avocados. I'm gonna make some guacamole. So I'm just slicing the avocados and deep hitting them. Once it's all in a bowl, I mash it with a fork. And I'm adding the juice of 1/2 a lime. A little bit of sea salt, black pepper, garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder. I didn't measure it, I just sprinkled some in. I'm adding some diced onion and a little bit of cilantro. I also added a pinch of cayenne pepper towards the end. Now that everything is finished cooking, it is time to assemble my tacos. And the tacos are done. Just look at how beautiful this looks. And it smells amazing. Okay, time for the taste test. Taco. That is good. Okay, this tastes amazing. This tastes like beef, like actual real beef. They're so good. My taco shows the breakdown, but it doesn't matter. Like, seriously, what planet are we living on to have this? Like a little spice, I'm gonna put some sriracha on it. If Impossible meat is in stores near you, you need to try it. Seriously, no one is going to know that that is not actual beef because it tastes exactly like it. I've had the Beyond Meat numerous times, and I can tell you that I think that the Impossible Burger tastes better than Beyond Meat. I like Beyond Meat, I'll buy it again, but I'm telling you, Impossible is like my #1 beef substitute. It's so good. It doesn't have any like strange taste to it or anything like how some other meat products may. So I definitely recommend it. Okay, so if you enjoyed today's video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram at NamNamToFitness, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.